What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have some quite good stuff right here. We have here some OEM or OE stickers for the interior, and we have the rear taillight gaskets and some OEM hardware for the taillights. So I want to thank Resto Tuner for sending me all this. They were really communicative because I ordered just the locks, but then their kit came out, so I asked them if they could cancel it, and I got the whole kit. As you guys can see, we got all the stickers for inside. Got it for the fuel door, for the ECU in the engine bay, and also the locks. But it's so cool. They got even a little CRX, and the kit came with a little scraper and some alcohol pads. And then from CRX, he makes the OEM style CRX logo for the middle taillight. So I'm excited to put that on, but before I put that on, I'm gonna be doing something to the taillights, which is gonna be pretty nice. So let's see, what should we start with? I think we should start with the easiest one for the fuse box. Alright, so for the longest time since I've had the car, I never had a sticker right here. So now we have a sticker, and if you guys are doing this, you are gonna have to put it like this, just because they match, the fuses match right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the alcohol pad and start putting this bad thing on. And I had to do some research. I don't remember what I searched up or not. I think I might have looked at pictures on like which one to get. And if you don't know what I mean, they have a little letter right here. It says G. I'm pretty sure that's for my car, for like the sunroof maybe? No, I think the sunroof is inside. I don't know. I think I got the right one. We'll just see. So that's drying up. We'll peel this off real quick. Boom. There we go. That looks super good. Oh, we got an air bubble. I need to get my little tool real quick. Boom. There we go. Got the air bubble out. Need to use the tool. Looks pretty good. Alright, so I didn't realize until now that mine said unleaded fuel only. So I got the new one. It says premium unleaded fuel only. See owner's manual. And yeah, so I mean, this is a pretty good condition because this is not being faded by the sun. I'm gonna put this one on. I was gonna get the Japanese one, but my dad said it was whack, so I gotta start taking this one off. Alright, so I couldn't really get it off. So I think I'm just gonna put the new one over the old one, which I don't think should be a big problem, because this is pretty thick. This is a pretty thick sticker still. It's gotta line up pretty good. Actually, wait, I got an alcohol pad on it. So it can stick better. Cool. That was pretty dirty. Boom. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Cool. Now that's done. Oh, there you go. Alright, next is going to be the locks. And these have been bugging me for quite a while. Because look how they are. I don't know if you guys can see with the color changing, or the color changing the brightness, but you guys can see it is pretty bad. And we go with this new one, pretty fresh. And then when you lock it, there's nothing there. It's supposed to be this, so we're gonna put that on. I believe it should be like this. Yeah, it should be like that. And yeah, let's get on to it. All right, got it done. Got the lock one, looks pretty good. And got that one. Look at that, looks pretty good. Sweet. So nice. Completing Rex. And I'm gonna do the, turn you guys, I'm gonna turn the other side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the interior ones. I don't know if I need to take those off. I wonder if I can. If not, I'll just place them over. But yeah, we got quite a bit to do in here. All right, we got this side on, lock one on, and the red one on. And it seemed like the red one has like a little reflective theme on it. We got both the locks on, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the interior stickers. And my dad pointed out there's actually 3 of the defrosters. So for the CRX, we're gonna be using that one because if you guys can see, it has a little cutout for the light, which mine has right there. And I bought a new one because my old one wasn't working, and found out that I don't have any lines. So basically, well, I'm not gonna say it wasn't worth buying it, because now I got it working, a working one. But now I gotta find a trunk or somehow make new lines. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, start putting those stickers. And also too, I don't have a push one. I just noticed that recently, so that's gonna be nice. What is he doing? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the stickers over the original ones because they're not too bad like the lock ones. So yeah, I'm just gonna put new ones over the originals, and yeah, get it going from there. All right, so when you're putting on stickers, obviously gotta use alcohol pads or whatever. Just clean them, get all the dirt off of them. Gotta come down here, clean these ones because I know these ones for sure are gonna be dirty. All right, then go for the hood one, then the fuse. Actually, this one I could probably take off. Yeah, I'll probably take that one off. And then the push one over here. And I believe that might be it for all of them, because we got, let's see, we gotta use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we're gonna use 7. And I believe these ones right here, I think they're the fog lights one, which I don't have, but would be cool to have later on. I don't know yet. I'm still deciding either to get the brake ducts, like there's one company, I forgot the name, makes the carbon fiber where the fog light holes go, or just get the fog lights. I don't know, between both of them. But yeah, start putting these on. start with the hazard button first. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how faded that is. Ooh, look at that, brand new. Nice. Next is going to be the rear defroster, which works, but kind of doesn't.
That one?
Yeah. Oop. Come on. And so far, these are pretty quality stickers. Cool. Boom. Looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm not gonna do the taillights yet. I don't know when it's gonna be or how long. I gotta get the stuff before I start sending it and all that. The stickers, they were pretty good looking. If you follow me on Instagram, I made a video on that. But they came out freaking awesome. Look at that. Oh yeah. Especially this one, now it's all red. Sheesh. Wrestle Tuner. Can I get a little sponsorship, please? Little 10% discount or 30?